Welcome to another video. So Tripo has an update and I want to show you some of the new elements within the new version. As you can see over here, while a model is being generated, we are going to have this interactive cursor that we can play around. And as soon as the model will be ready, it will look like this. So we see over here that it also improved. As you recall, I also did this test with the dragon statue. But take a look over here at the amount of details that are within this model. If I'm going to put over here the texture down, so I'm going to check the normals, this will be the normal. And we're going to see how well that tail of the dragon will be defined in this case. So a lot better than previously. They also added a new style over here. This is cartoon style. And we can also go within sketch. Sketch style will look as following for the dragon. And we also have the hologram style, which is quite interesting because we have this effect and also the model will be see-through like this. So the first one will be the solid and the second one will be texture, but keep in mind that that hologram needs to be disabled in order to have access to those over here on the left. So overall, I'm quite impressed with this. We can also smooth this or we can have it shaded. That should also do some additional changes over here. We can also change the PBR, so if you want this to be metallic and roughness. As you can see, with a low roughness, we're going to see our texture is not that well defined, but those roughness and that metallic shader will, let's say, hide some of those elements that are not really perfect within the texture. But again, I'm really impressed with this. We're going to see over here that they also added over here an additional tooltip. We see the number of faces, 2 million in this case. And if I'm going to go back to the main page, we're going to see that it will look like this. They also have now this gift from Tripo. So if you're going to click on that, you're going to see that they currently have over here the following prices. So some 3D printers, or you can get 60% or 50% or additional credits that will not expire. In my case, I have 20 additional slots over here. So as you can see, within my library, if I will go within the assets, I will have 20 additional slots. So initially it was 60. Those should now load over here. So let's wait a little bit for those. When we're going to generate the model, it will be similar to previous. So we're going to have multi-image, single image over here. We're going to see that this will be mandatory. So the first image, we can also batch those, as you can see, up to 10. So if you want multiple images, so each will go individually into processing. And we can also use this text to model. Now, let me just refresh this because I see that the asset page is not being loaded. And now we're going to see that that has been loaded. So we're going to see over here on the bottom, we should have the total amount. But yeah, in my case, I have 20 additional slots over here. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what's your opinion regarding this. I really like Tripo, and we see that the update will output a lot better geometry. So this is the same dragon model over here. If I'm gonna look over here on the back, there wasn't any tail and continuity to that. And this one as well. So we're gonna see that they heavily improved over here, as we can see. And in my opinion, this is amazing because it can now compare and be competitive with the other generative tools that are available on the market. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.